So the final step in this process is about creating your works cited page. And there you need to include all of the sources that you cited throughout your paper. It has a specific format. You need to double space it. You need to alphabetize it. You need to indent the lines that come after the first line. So as you can see here, this student was writing a position paper on assisted suicide. And here we have all of the works included, again, alphabetized, regardless of whether they begin with a last name or a topic of an article. So for example, here you see the A, the B, the D. This is not done by name. This is done by the beginning of the citation. So if you are keeping track of your citations at the citation machine, it should be very easy for you to go back and collect all of the sources that you have been citing as you've been writing. And all really that's left to do is to copy, to paste, to rearrange, and to make sure that it is double spaced. A really good source and reference for all of this is the Purdue website, the OWL Purdue website. Sorry, we've got the little pop-up in the corner there, but if you go up to the top, you can see MLA in text citations. That helps you with what it should look like when you are writing. And here is the works cited page for the basic format as well. And here is a connection to citation machine, which we've been using all throughout the writing. There are some new rules, but really it doesn't change that much from year to year. And there are some pointers about what to do in various situations if you're not sure, or if the citation machine can't tell you. Usually OWL Purdue can. All right, so there you have it. Again, this is step 5, and we've been working through all of these bits together. Please make sure that you're talking to me if you get to this point in the process and you're a little confused and you need a little extra help. Okay, thanks.